the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what? Whenever everybody thinks the S&P is going to do something, it does the exact opposite. Now, yesterday, the S&P looked like it was going to go up and make new contract highs. Everybody thought it would do that today. And what did it do? It did the exact opposite. It worked the other way for most of the day. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1768.30 early in the day. The low came in at 1758.5 mid-morning. And last, I got to check. We just popped up. We're back down. We're 1764 even. We're down 3.6 handles. Total volume, we've got 1.3 million minis traded, and we've got 3,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had a variance, but it totaled up to about 70 million to the sell side. Tomorrow we've got the MBA Purchase Applications. We've got Sandra Pianalto speaking from the Fed. We've got the Atlanta Fed business inflation expectation number. We've got a 10-year note auction, and last but not least, we have Bernanke speaking. Now, you know what? The big thing here is that there is definitely enough stops on the upside to run this S&P up. But again, what we tried to express after Friday's big move up and Monday's big move up, that the S&P would have to regain some of its trust. And today what we saw an early push to the upside, then the S&P lost premium, and down went the S&P as several sell programs hit. But you know what? The S&P also did an exact MrTopStep 10-handle rule, from the high to the low. Now, you know what? We're going to leave it like that. The markets are quiet here. The volumes are low. And also, you know what? There was a video that was done on CNBC with the head of Schwab. And the head of Schwab was saying that, you know what? Their customers aren't trading. And you know what? Nor is anybody else around here. With the market up so much and so much uncertainty around the Fed and their tapering process, you know, we know it's not going to come till the beginning of next year. But that said, the bonds have moved down real sharply, and it's kind of got people back on that taper thing going again. But you know what? MrTopStep still thinks that we're going to see its 1785 upside objective, and everybody else around here says S&P 1800 is just a matter of time. We'll leave it like that, and we'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.